Fast Car Entertainment is proud to announce Carly as our tech partner for Japfest, Ford Fair and the German Car Festival. They're going to be based right here in Garage 12 at Silverstone, so make sure you pop by and say hello.
Carly are a next generation car technology company based in Munich, and their mission is simply to connect you with all the information hidden in your car. By plugging their patented OBD scanner into your diagnostics port and connecting to their smartphone app, you can take control of diagnostics and fault code reading and view hundreds of specific parameters in real time. You'll also receive expert knowledge in the Carly app. But don't take our word for it, come and see them for yourselves at Japfest in Pit Garage 12 next to the Fast Car stand. They'll be doing live demonstrations at 10:30, 12:30 and 2:45. Make sure you attend one of these Carly workshops as they have 100 scanners to give away. Carly is looking forward to seeing you at the Fast Car Entertainment series of events. And remember, if your car is showing an engine code fault, why not pop by and get a free diagnostics check?